Did you know sunflowers don't follow the sun forever? Here's the surprising reason. Young sunflowers track the sun from east to west using a process called heliotropism. As the sun moves, one side of the stem grows faster, causing the flower to turn. During the night, it slowly turns back to the east, ready for sunrise. But once the flower fully blooms, it stops moving and usually stays facing east. This helps it warm up earlier in the morning, attracting more bees for pollination. Nature always has a clever trick. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.